What's good, my beautiful kings and queens? This I, Wini Buensi. I hope you are all doing well, just like I am. Hello to my old subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to my Locs and Life channel. Please don't just stop by. You gotta subscribe. I'm glad to have you on board. Welcome to the family. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you basically how I retwist my locks. It's actually going to be my first time retwisting my locks with Flax Seed Gel. I normally retwist my locks with basically just rose water, but I was told by some of you guys that I should give Flax Seed Gel a try. Now, I made the Flax Seed Gel myself. Please do find a video in the description box and also at the top right now. And that's basically going to be showing you how I made it. Some of you guys did tell me that Flax Seed Gel will help to hold, because I was complaining in one of my videos that my issue with retwisting is that it doesn't hold for long. So I'm hoping that, you know, with Flax Seed Gel I may see an improvement, but either ways I will keep y'all updated. Now, I'm not gonna show you I retwisting the whole of my head, because y'all can see, like, ain't nobody got time for that. So literally, this is what I like to do when I'm retwisting my locks. I like to put it in a loose bun, and I basically take each individual lock, and then once I've locked, I've started doing a few. Don't know if the camera's gonna capture it well, but I've started doing a few right here. So anyways, let's get to it. So this is the consistency of my flaxseed gel. Now, it's very important that when you are retwisting your locks should either be damp or a little bit moisturized, because obviously you're going to be twisting and separating locks, etc., and you do not want to cause any damage to your hair or your locks. So what I like to do is just gently grab a lock, make sure that all my other locks are not in the way. I have a little bit of flaxseed gel on my fingertips, so I just retwist the growth to the right. You can choose whether you want to retwist to the right or to the left, but I choose the right, and then I palm roll all the way down to the end of my locks. Now, I have to put emphasis that when you are retwisting your locks, pick which direction you want to retwist towards and stick to that direction throughout the retwist of your locks. So I choose to do the right, which means that every single time that I retwist my locks, I always go within the right direction. So again, as I'm demonstrating, twisted my growth, and then I like to palm roll all the way down towards the end. Now, I don't like to retwist very tightly. I also don't like to palm roll very tightly, because it can be very damaging to the locks, and I do not want my locks to thin out. So everything that I do, I make sure that I do it very gently, especially towards the front of my head. A lot of people like to make sure that all their edges, or I call it baby hairs, are within their locks. I don't mind if a little bit of my baby hairs are still out, because I just don't want my hair to be damaged in any way. So again, I've retwisted my growth, and then gonna palm roll all the way to the end, and then place the lock into the ponytail at the back of my head, just so that I don't get it mixed up with the locks that haven't been retwisted yet. Now, the duration of time that it takes to retwist your locks obviously depends on many factors. For example, how long your locks are, how many locks you have, the density of your locks as well. So that's something to just take into consideration if you do decide to retwist your locks. Now, when I retwist my locks, it can take anything from between an hour and a half to 2.5 hours. So keep in mind that no matter what you use to retwist your locks, a little goes a long way. So try not to bombard your locks with too much product. Now, different people use different things for their locks. You can use rose water like I normally do. You can just use water. Some people use shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil. It all depends on what you feel works best for your hair. Don't be shy to separate the hairs away from your locks. So for example, maybe if your locks are starting to join together, don't be scared to just gently dampen your locks and just separate them before you proceed in retwisting. Yay! I've got to my very last lock. I always feel so happy when I've got to my very last lock, because I do sometimes feel like retwisting can be a bit of a tedious task. But anyway, here we are, almost done, and then I can show you how the finished product looks like. As you can see, I can see my scalp again, which means that my fresh retwist is exactly as it says, nice and fresh. Let me just give you a close-up look. Here we go. Voila. Yes, baby. So there you are, my beautiful kings and queens. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until my next video, be good. Bye.